Hi, I'm Bryan McCranner. I'm the president of Holland Vision Systems. I started this company back in 1996 when a friend who was a farmer mentioned that he couldn't see behind him while operating his tractor. I came back and said I thought I could develop something from scratch since there was no existing video monitor that could meet the needs in an open tractor farm environment. Because I found nothing suitable on the market, I developed a custom system from scratch and it worked perfectly. That initial product turned into many different variations for many applications. Since expanding our product line, our primary business has been providing systems for forklifts and material handling, but we also serve industries from military vehicles to marina operations to industrial process monitoring and recording systems. We leverage our expertise in camera system technology to adapt our products to work with whatever machinery or environment our customers operate in. I hope HVS continues to be successful with providing products that reduce product damage, improve safety, and increase efficiency. Whenever I'm in a retail store and see a dinged can, I think that maybe our products could have helped prevent that. Reduced damage reduces cost to the consumer. I think we can have an impact with that with our products.